At first glance, this is just a sleek minimalist cabinet, but in seconds it transforms into a full-size bed. Most builders try using flexible slats here, only to find the thin mattress sags into the gaps. We engineered it with a solid interlocking platform instead, solving the comfort issue before sawdust even flies. The base frame carries the structural load of the entire unit. Instead of standard surface joints, we pre-drill each section halfway through. This channels the heavy-duty screw deep into the core of the intersecting beam, effectively preventing the wood from splitting while doubling the joint's shear strength. More screws mean the load is shared more evenly, making the frame stronger and more rigid. The lower drawer is engineered for effortless assembly using uniform panels. Despite its compact look, it creates a highly rigid structure with plenty of hidden storage space for your essentials. To lock the drawer frames at a perfect 90-degree angle, we drill twin pilot holes halfway through the first piece. This allows the screw to clear the initial timber completely and bite deep into the end grain of the joining piece, establishing a rigid square connection that won't warp. The lower storage runs on completely independent heavy-duty slides. This separation ensures that daily use of the drawers places zero stress on the main folding bed mechanism. The upper frame uses the same fastening principle for a stronger connection. Unlike traditional wall beds that stress the outer frame, the load here is distributed through reinforced pivot points. This reduces tension on the cabinet structure, keeping the front panel perfectly aligned over years of folding. This platform is built from several panels. Together, they create a rigid structure that better resists bending. The reinforced leg quickly locks into place, supporting the entire frame. A secondary extension panel is engineered directly into the geometry of the base, allowing the unit to transform in seconds with minimal effort. This setup is the perfect balance of aesthetic design and smart functionality. It seamlessly upgrades the interior while transforming into a highly comfortable, practical bed. Compact furniture shouldn't feel like a compromise. By optimizing the folded footprint, this design returns valuable square footage back to the room during the day. Every detail was designed and animated to uncover the logic behind modern furniture. Follow along to see how engineering shapes the spaces we live in.